Here's a 1948 Dodge two-door sedan. Pretty original yet. Slip around, show the interior also. You can see paint's not perfect on it. Like I said, it's pretty much just kind of a survivor. That's how I would classify this car. Inline six underneath the hood. Still with the stock drivetrain it would have came with. That would be the fluid drive. Shifter on the column. Solid car though. I mean, it's not full of holes, full of rust. So the car looks pretty darn solid. Let's take a look at the interior. It's one that can be driven the way it is. Just left stocked and enjoy as an old classic. Or if you want to take it to the next level, give it a little TLC, maybe some paint and interior. Cool old 48 Dodge though. If you'd like to know more about this vehicle, feel free to give us a call. It can be reached at 507-386-1726. Or if you'd like to check out more of the pictures, underside, interior, engine compartment, uniqueclassiccars.com. So you can see there is some wear in the interior, staining. But, like I said, the car does run and drive. We'll go down the road. Good old stock example of a Dodge. So nice, the door closes. It is a solid car. Both sides. Take a look down this side also. So give us a call, 507-386-1726, 1948 Dodge two-door sedan.
It's going.